I was fast asleep when the phone rang. I was asked to go out by my boyfriend. So happy about that. I rushed to the bathroom and washed my face. Oh, my hair. How annoying. What to do now? Use your boat. Lift it up and cover your head. Then put it on the forehead area. So wash your face without worrying about sticking your hair. Oh, my skirt. It is torn. Oh my god, it was so embarrassing. Use the paper clip to press the tear again. We will press it all the way to the end, so you will be more confident yet. How lucky is not it? How to give gifts to couples on anniversaries and stages of the relationship for the first time. While loving girls and boys, there are always gorgeous and lovely gifts to each other. But when it comes to marriage, things are completely different. You will give each other more practical things. Sometimes it will create feelings of not being the same anymore. But after all, you still have the best feelings for each other. And when unfortunately the boys accidentally cut the image of a girl on the internet and were discovered by her girlfriend, she will be angry. And the guy who begs and pleads to her about her feelings for her is always the most. The boys just hold her to the dragon and speak softly to her, which can ease her anger. Furthermore, if she took her to eat something she liked so she could completely forget what happened. But in marriage it's different. Wives can terribly threaten you, putting the boys in a losing position, and Javier begs for forgiveness. It's not as scary as wives. I feel the same way. And even when you think you are very cute before and after your marriage, how did you hug each other before? Now in your marriage, you cover each other's blankets and don't care about the other person.